My name is Nanzan, and I'm a bio and biomedical engineer. So I started NGB Innovation last year, and my company currently has several MVP products, and one product is more like prototyping stage.
Great. Do you want to tell us about some of the products that are in MVP?
Actually, it's a cell lysing and the gene cutting device. More like combined cell lysing and the gene cutting together, and the overall process within 5 minutes.
Incredible.
Yeah, it's quite novel product, and I don't use like enzyme or chemicals to make these things happen. It's more like biophysics or more mechanical process. So in that way, we ditch the enzyme and the chemicals, which is helpful for the environment and helpful downstream analysis and the manufacturing.
And what about using enzymes in the manufacturing process is damaging to the environment? What kind of got you into this one?
It's in the lab, you have to treat your samples, treat enzymes within wastewater. So have to use bleach, detergent to make sure this things is safe and can safely go down to the drain or go down sewage water. So in that case, it's more like increase the more harsh chemicals within the process. And sometimes, with the high volume, it's hard to tell if we kill all the samples, treat all the chemicals in the right way. And so in that way, if we ditch the chemicals and ditch the enzyme, it's more safe for the environment.
Incredible. What brought you into this line of work?
I'm an engineer, so I like to do things. And it's a story. Actually, I was fired. So
it's always a good start to a story, actually.
I had to do something. So how to pick something I'm good at.
Yep.
I'm familiar with, and I have the confidence to make things happen, and to make sure this business can run.
Mm-hmm.
Right. So I choose this stream of field to start my work, and in the future, I think my company will focus on help pharmaceutical company or some genetic therapeutic company for their more serious work.
Good for you. And I guess starting this organization, NGB, what have you seen as something unexpected that you found that maybe you didn't know before you got into the field?
It's very hard. I'm more technical person, and more all the background is related to the technology. I'm not quite into the business. So how to change my technical mind or mindset into the business mindset. How to transact the role. So that part is much more difficult than I expected. And try to navigate everything and work with people, that's a hard part. I was in China and moved back as 3 years ago. So very few friends, very few colleagues in the country, and that makes it even harder.
I bet.
Yeah. But, it's getting better. I know people, and I like to talk to people and try to know experts, researchers, and professors, since people like that, and try to work with them. And, most exciting thing is I think business is funny, it's interesting.
Yeah.
So I like that. Yeah.
Uses a different side of your brain, I'm sure.
It's very new, but it's exciting. Use your some economic background, try to make things work, and try to, the new world is navigate.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we're here at ARX, you're part of the BioBeacon group. Is there anything that you want to get out of the ARX conference? Who are you hoping to meet? Who are you hoping to see?
Oh, I want to meet all of them if I got opportunity. They are fantastic.
Yeah.
in terms of business, I think the next, to be honest, I really want to talk all of them.
Yeah.
It's more like learning stage. My company just started last year. It's very short period of time. It's very new for them.
Yeah.
So I like to talk all of them. And for the technical part, I think it's more in the secondary goal. It's not that important. Most important is learn the business.
Yeah.
Learn everything I don't know.
Amazing. Man, good luck. Have a great day at ARC. You're incredible. I love your energy and I love,
Yeah, it's quite new. It's exciting journey.
Yeah, very exciting.
And I hope this company can go further, and then in the future it can be more mature and like old company. I can tell the success story.
You can say you're fired.
Yeah,
you showed it to them. That's great.
Yeah, sure, of course. The story start there, and I hope it's ending very well.